1969, a year of incredible events and iconic sounds. From Neil Armstrong
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
to Jimi Hendrix to this. The big block Chevy V8, 7 litres of thunder, the heart of the McLaren M8B. Duncan Fox, this is as big as Woodstock and as fast as Apollo 11.
Wow, I look at 69 in a lot of ways. The CanAm show, rock music. We went to the moon in 69. It was a fabulous year. Yeah, that's how I look at 69, but this is very special for me. I never got to Woodstock, but it's as good as Woodstock's music.
In 1969, the McLaren M8B was unbeatable in the ultra-competitive CanAm series. This was the peak of the Bruce and Denny show, as in Bruce McLaren and Denny Hulme.
This car, there's some finesse. Denny said this was the best McLaren ever built. And I'm inclined to agree with that. Once Bruce had got his head round high wings and what they did to the chassis and handling, you know, they were unstoppable, as you saw in 69. I mean, they won every race, came 1, 2 and 6 of them. I mean, it was phenomenal.
Restoring these cars is Fox's passion. His dedication to originality is only outdone by his patience. He has spent 2 decades rebuilding this car, the only M8B running.
Harry Taylor, who was an ex-team guy, suggested that we should build an M8B. And I said, well, you know, we can't do that. And he said, well, I've got the tag and the provenance. And so we set about on a basically 15, 20-year search for as many parts off of this car as we could, and that's how we've managed to put this car together. We approached McLaren, and McLaren said, yeah, here's the blueprints. You can use these, provided it's on this car, and this is the result, basically.
Fox estimates over 40% of the parts on this car were on the track in 1969. Hunting them down has taken him 20 years of searching online and around the world.
You are scurrying around looking in everybody's garage, everybody that had anything to do with CanAm or any old race cars. You're looking for pieces, and you need to know what you're looking for. You need to be able to identify those bits. Everywhere I go, I see something new. I mean, the wing I found in Seattle, front nose cone I found in Seattle, the rear bodywork I found in California. When we were working on these McLarens, at times we'd look up and say, thanks Bruce, thanks Denny.
On the eve of the Pukekohe circuit's demise, the rebirth of Hulme's M8B made the shakedown of this piece of Kiwi ingenuity even more poignant.
It hasn't really hit home that it's complete until maybe this morning. Pretty special, because it'll be the last time a car like this ever runs here. I'm pleased we've done this, because it will stay here. It'll go into a private collection and it'll stay here.